We had a very large range of different customers or customer bases, quite wide. So mums and dads, businesses, customers where affordability is really important, reliability is really important. Value is not cheap, and value isn't certainly paying too much for a product either. So in the last decade, I've had two people or two customers over that entire period where the number one driver to have solar was to do everything they could for the environment. The driver for most people to have solar is actually reducing their current energy costs, freeing up cash flow, and the side benefit is helping the environment. Yeah, there is the typical payback period for most customers is 3 to 5 years with good quality equipment, and that 3 to 5 year payback period is really ensuring the reliability of the long-term investment, so those systems can operate for typically another 20 years with a good quality panel that allows customers or investors to have that rock solid income from that purchase.